Okay, quick overview here. It is Sunday, July 22nd, I believe, 2023. Under the Wing 78, getting closer to completion. I just completed several more allegorical sea monsters, which I also think of not just in terms of the 1930s and the Spanish Civil War, the Nazi Luftwaffe bombing of a town in Spain, and where all these people were killed, including school children, but in terms of today's conflicts, terrorism, like in the United States, where gun rights, mass shootings, terrorism, everyone a terrorist attack, claims the lives of like over 40,000 Americans every year, from babies to elderly, law enforcement, and people of all ages. And so many other conflicts going on worldwide. The autocratic leaders like Trump, who tried to overturn the legitimate election here in the United States. Anyway, I like the way this one turned out. And looks like I just have 3 more allegorical sea monsters to do. Complete this one here, and this large one here, next to my memorial portrait of the Spanish poet Miguel Hernandez. All right, almost done. We continued. Nice singing budgies, very nice. It's nice to have foul input. That's F-O-W-L, by the way. Have to meet the approval of English teachers. Not F-O-U-L, but F-O-W-L. All right, there you have it.